Ringphawon da achu khamataya paupi Manipur Assembly Session kachang hiwi tarik magada chisha thang hapokhawra commandos pingwi allowance matai ka mira kachi cabinet na twitak tahira Assam Rifles na sponsor sakhmi cabin crew training kupsang kahai Ukhrul district wi mi thrali felicitate sami haira Lekhyang chor aje the Tangkhul Express wi pau Ringphawon Zimik in a pami delay pau ping mai sai na nganang rumsa Manipur cabinet ka zip ka pamli teachers recruitment ex gratia khami commando allowance matai ka khami assembly session langjin ka sa hikatha jangda maram atei tei de wi tuta khui haira cabinet ka zip wi maram minister Dr Sabam Ranjan press conference li phijithaya assembly wi session ka phanga hi aju wi tarik magada chisha thang hapogra chi haira state security Yang gasangli commandos pingna odngurut khui khamili maya khangai chutheida road khamrat pamli kata Manipur police commando kala state forces pingwi compensatory allowances jungsang mira chi haira Manipur police commando we allowance li lupa thingphanga increment mi haira road khamrat apamli station kasa state forces pingwi na lupa thinguthum matai ka mi haira pau hi Manipur chief minister and Biren Singnala social media post li phongshoka Cabinet China road kamrad with victims pingshili ex gratia kami matailak aina Central Armed Forces with me stately magapam pingwiwang ngasanna chikatha pingchili ngachon mi sada scheme kathar akha leira chihaira Village Defense Force VDF li khangachon sada atumli March 2025 aina tangda engage sara chihaira mawansa ka hai more SDPO Jingtham Ananda Singna chikat mi ka hai li machut sada awinaw miyarli assistant sub inspector otpam mira chihaira road kamrat kala luiwat abongate li satsa ka hai farmers pingli ngachon khabai da 3483 verified farmers pingwiwang lupa 18.91 crores allocate Sahira Kalachi Luiva Maningla Kachangkhat Lui Khawanaw Pingle 80% shares Sara Chihira Cabinet Tutak Athishura Samgraha Siksha Scheme Azingli Jishutme Shashini Hangmadida Khani contractual basis aina Pasangra Assam Rifles na sponsor sakmi cabin crew training kupsang kahai Ukhrul district with me tharali felicitate sami haira IGAR South wi azingli Assam Rifles Ukhrul district with Shinau tharali sponsor samida cabin crew training khuya Operation Sat Bhavana wi azingli Assam Rifles na sponsor kasaje wahong academy li ngaran mida Zimik sho hangmati da phangathang Imphali cabin crew coaching khamina cabin crew training partner wahong academy kala Tangkhul mayor ngala longli ngashik da Assam Rifles na pre-selection interview platform ji Shinau aspirants hangphanga wiwang rungmia chiwi aina tharali kapangkhuida achakum khayon tarik thrada phangali hapoglaga tharauli kupka sangna training mukhok khami G district hiwi Shinau sanli kakatom la ngalanga phai apongli khangachon kasana training kup kahai Shinau thara juli aya felicitate samida Assam Rifles na athumi qualification certificates ngaran mi haira Assam Rifles na Tangkhul mayor ngalalong executives kala wahong academy li ningdishi phongshoka Imphali khale wahong academy kala Assam Rifles na Shinau sanli empower savami chingra kachi ningrin leidale skill training programs khale graduates pingna Shuruk quick Hawaila Kasatsanga pre-selection interviews quick high pingli special preference mirror the hanga institute china training package paid hostel facility milaga training fees li young khami leilaga sada leichia Third kamatheng hi khamata ya sada khuida yaripam makhaw khangasakli checking lak aina yangasang Ukhrul police na otsak aina sajithe phokhaira Ajon thang Ukhrul phungre tangli khale winger counter ngalemli khamakhaw ka hermia khali tukhuya ocho chi CCTV li namkhuai ra kasana maram chiwang Ukhrul SP na jizu khmia jingli mipa jili Ukhrul district police na tukhuya mipa jili Ukhrul police station wi OC inspector chwingam ningshan na thanda ayang thor pungthrada akhamakhai shikhali tukhuya police na Muchut kukhuya athishura mipaji benaw chingum makada shini mayongam yangya hoya Ali Ukhrul police station saklak aina hang muchinda undertaking khuilaga chu ho haira khanaw khanali hikadatha mushokli khawai yarina ngashar khawai la Ukhrul police na hangjiphuna khamakhaw hor khawai apam maningla herta phapha kala haimi phapha ka chi hi aje are magathei ningma ka otsak ngasai chikatha otsak ji ayen wa jingle action khui pai da National Green Tribunal na environmental compensation na per paya
Hospitality kala aviation Liam Lee Otsak vai Worship R&T Institute of Aviation and Hospitality we branch New Delhi lila shohaira Institute China air hostess ground staff kala hospitality we training kachang mati we mi pau mi gradi sure the institute chi we aina tam ga khui candidates shagatum lang the reputed airlines kala corporate sectors the placement samang haira shock the clay situation the saklak aina khui the institute chi we New Delhi branch China phakamai job opportunities kala exposure mathakamai mi khwai sara da hang R&T Institute of Aviation and Hospitality na free one-way flight to New Delhi, free 30 days accommodation and fooding, full job placement assistance mira chidale. New Delhi branch with direct admission hapokaira, online admission na sapaya. 11 batch with wang ning sang pinga Imphal lila, New Delhi branch lila zangbaira. Phone number 700-5970-470 maningaka 8800-98179 feeling hanpaira. Institution chi we head office Singjamai Yumnam Lekai Imphal wangating khui paira
Khalemai na katam kushi samphang sagra kachi ngashit aina Nashik Maharashtra le khuiwa hai kasa Manipur wi national phangale kan khui haira national ping chili chakshilak aina kasa child protection ayan le matung makanda shokhawa the rescue operation khawana chidalai national ping chili free education mirror the Sri Swami Narayan English medium school ko ho Nashik likhlai worshimli hai kasana kha athumli sashilak aina kasa pau shada avu awana ninga gashok wiwang Manipur wi Department of Social Welfare na yengsang khamina chidalai Atumna Maharashtra Shokarle Hangwada Ajahon Tarik Thumthang Nashik wi District Child Protection Unit DCPU na now being chili wakushoka Operation Child Welfare Committee CWC li ngashik laga kasana now akhawa pasale airgun na sagaza margla gasaya chidalai DCPU na Sri Swami Narayan English Medium School investigate sapohaira atumna phagushok je CWC li mikara now being ji tarik chishathang Nashik wi Child Welfare Committee na Manipur wi Social Welfare Department ni mikada shim thanung miya Manipur wi Chief Minister na United National Liberation Front wi Carter's proxy Raimi sada shichindalai kachi Kuki Zomi Mar kathana pingna phen haira Maram hi Manipur wi Kuki Zomi Mar minganing pingna hangda UNLF faction li ajakum sarkar na peace accord shoi kasa jina state wi ignit conflict li sajang saka kuchila hanghaira Kuki Zomi Mar kathana pingchina ajawan thang Delhi li Ministry of Home Affairs wi officials pingni kharjan wasaya MHA officials pingna maram chi review sara kuchi hanga da ginza vulzong na paumia Wongjong he Churachambur likhlai Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum wi mina ala MHA lik kasam ka phangli janga Free Movement Regime kham ka hai to tak chila group la community akashimang li yanglaga Kukhui maning mana da MHA officials pingna hanga chidalai Lakhawak Manipur Tribals Forum Delhi wi Jinkhanlung Gite na kahang thakho Free Movement Regime Haiwa khawai athumna ayen wi ajingli khisa paikhala legal options yang phokhaura chidalai state sarkana arambai thengol le shikuchingmang maningla UNLF wi Carter's pinglila shichindalai kuchikuki Zomi Mar minganing pingchina hangsanga 2021 we aina Chatrak Hai Chingumle Assam Chief Minister Himanda Biswa Sharma kala VIPS katewi khung khawale lupa crore hangphanga da chisat langda ta hairo chidalai Hangdak lehi Assam Chief Minister na Sarkar ot makhaning wi kharam ungwa gasale charter flights kukhui maram achawan thang the wire aina the cross current na ngurum da report ko shokla leidalai Pau hi state Sarkar wi assembly li kahang athishu da phongkhamina Himanda Biswa Sharma kala akhawa ngatei tei dali phungwa gasa airlifting helicopter charge li lupa 58 crore 23 lakhs 7104 hi state exchequer aina shokhaira chia State government na assembly li kahang May 10 2021 aina January 30 2024 alongle ngurum ser lagat lupa 58 crore 23 lakhs 7104 hi chief minister kala dignitaries ping jiwi airlift kasali taya mushing hi ajahon tarik thuruk thang Siva Sakar MLA kala Raistor Dal leader Akhil Gogoina khanghan kasale ngahan ka da chithei khamina Ka Sarma Sarkar na lubachia ka ji Sarma khala to wiwang flight charter kasale kaya ka takla ka jiwa ma chithei mithuwa kum aina chithei khami tha ka luba 10 crore 19 lakhs 81946 hi May 10 2021 and December 31st 2022 along litaya financial year 2022 to 2023 le public funds lupa 34 crore 1 lakhs 5848 charters flights and helicopters litaya January 2023 and January 2024 along le 14 crore 2 lakhs 19313 taya chidalai Maram hi take away 2022 phei gajang RTI application thasang hai sai khe chi chingum akha kananai manghan ka khami wiwang Guwahati based news akan state information commission le policy da chidalai ara itumna ka chisat nganang rumsa Tangkhul Music Forum TMF with General Assembly kala election come musical evening rakhara tarik magada mati thang langching sahaira ngaran ngi je thawai jaw humbung music forum THMF na mukhok mida lengaphu khayang humbungli mayonra assembly aina election hi ngurumda ngishun pung akha aina hapokda mati aina tangda sara kala musical evening na ngazin pung phangale hapokra Redmik high atom apam hili mushwai lakla yari psycho rana rang rumi khwai seha aina ngasoda nghodle TMF with Chief Election Commissioner na chishat khami attitude forum chui general election saki chui rules and regulation hi rian attitude chithemili minganing president vice president General Secretary kapangra election hi secret polet aina sara minganing ping hi tiomai thui da chingum akha TMF we register member sa ka hai ming sa plungra minganing ping jina ichicha shi village we no objection certificate misam plungra elector hi TMF we register members mangna vote sangpaira membership registration hi tarik 15 February 14 we na ngasam haura voter card hi ajwi tarik thra da thuru we na TMF office FaceTime computer phungre tangni khwimi paira election hi moholak aina kapangka khawa yarina ningsanglak aina kaktom aina ngasoda ramisir loda ngahodalai latduida ajui khamata ya pauping Manipur Assembly Session kachang hiwi tarik magada jishathang hapokhawra commandos pingwi allowance matai ka mira kachi cabinet na twitak tahira Assam Rifles na sponsor sa kami cabin crew training kupsang kahai Ukhrul district wi mi thrali felicitate sami haira Ajui pau henang chang haira pau ngana dak leina sum psycho relate ring pha kala kham haya Zimik show sa sarano